Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the essentials, your edit, bind, and stick response. Set a dedicated edit button and lower joystick dead zones to around 0, 0, 5, 0, 15 so inputs register smoothly. This makes small flicks reliable. Once done, raise look and edit sensitivities in small 5% increments until you keep targets on screen. Make sure to turn off hold to edit if you want rapid taps. This reduces accidental resets. Practice the first simple 1x1 edit loop immediately to build consistency and rhythm. You now move into targeted drills to fuse speed with precision. Use a 1x1 edit loop, then progress to double edits and quick cone edits. Do sets of 10 for speed and 30 for muscle memory. Once done, add a timer on each run and aim to shave 0. 5 seconds off your best time. This forces faster inputs without losing aim. Make sure to alternate left and right edits and include diagonal patterns so your thumbs learn every vector. Gradual overload builds reliable pace. You finish by bringing practice into real games and troubleshooting issues. In scrims and matches, prioritize clean reads and successful edits over raw speed. Getting the edit off reliably wins fights. If you start missing, step back, reduce sensitivity by about 5%, disable vibration, and spend a slow 10-minute warm-up focusing on accuracy. Make sure to rehearse recovery edits and confirmations so mistakes become recoverable. If controller inputs jitter, check dead zone.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.